So the OneUi 8.5 update is out for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Today in this video I will show some of the top changes and features that you guys should must try out. First up, if you haven't already, so you can update it by simply going into the settings and tapping on software update, then tap on download and install. So the first change that you will notice that there is this new OneUi 8.5 update menu. Previously it was different, there was two options of download and install and last update, but now it is different and the animations are also smoother. Now moving on to the next feature, so in the control panel, after tapping on this edit option, there are multiple new edit options available. You can customize the control panel the way you like it, both horizontally and vertically. This option was not available in the OneUi 8 update. But now with the latest update, there are multiple customization options added. Next up, the UI of the multiple apps has also changed. For example, in the clock application, you can get to see that there is this new UI available with this pill-like menu option. By the way, this pill-like menu bar will be available in multiple apps. For example, in the settings, in the search option, there is this pill-like menu bar, or in the gallery, there is this also pill-like menu bar. And even in the call application, you will get to see this pill-like option of menu. And almost everywhere it is now changed into this pill-like option, and it is looking really modern as well. The clock application's UI has also changed. You will get to see this glow effect whenever you will tap any button. Also, the animations while typing has also changed a bit. Further, if we talk about the camera, so the shutter speed has really improved after the OneUi 8.5 update for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, as you guys can see in the video. Now if we talk about the gallery, so there are multiple new photo assist options available. If we tap on this photo assist Galaxy AI icon, so there's this new menu bar available for photo assist. As you guys can see, it is looking more organized now, and you have this option of create also available, by which you can simply type and add anything into the photo, or you can also change the color. Like for example, I will prompt it to add more flowers into the photo, and as you guys can see, it has added more flowers similar to the older ones into the photo. Next up, if we talk about the notifications, so there's a jiggle effect in the notification. As you guys can see, this is the new jiggle effect available in the notifications. Previously, there was no effect available. Now, one of the most hyped feature, if you go into the quick share, so you get to see this option of share with Apple devices. Now you can share your photos or videos with the Apple devices by simply turning this on. So there are some new features also available in the call assist. Simply tap on these three dots on the top right corner, then tap on settings, and from here you will get to see this option of call screening. After turning it on, you can use a call assistant to answer your calls and ask the caller who they are and why they are calling. There are multiple language packs and voiceover options available with this call screening option. I will make a detailed video on the call assistant features, so make sure to like and subscribe. If we talk about the UI again, so the UI of the multiple apps like the manage storage in the files and the device care in the settings have also changed a lot. I really like this new UI change with the OneUi 8.5 update on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It has completely transformed your phone into a brand new. Also, if you go into the Notes application, then tap on this Galaxy AI icon over here, so you get to see this multiple new options and the Creative Studio, by which you can generate multiple greeting cards or the invitation cards. Next up, if you want to add a weather effect on the lock screen of your phone, so that is also possible. Simply go into the wallpapers, then tap on this weather option over here, and now select any photo you want to add as a wallpaper. And that's how you can add the weather effect on your wallpaper. If it is snowing, so it will give a snow effect, and if raining, it will give that. To change it on your current wallpaper, You can tap on lock screen option, then turn this weather option on. And that's wrap for today's video. These were some of the new features available with the OneUi 8.5 update for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I will make a detailed video on the multiple apps with the new OneUi 8.5 features for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So make sure to like and subscribe for that and turn on the bell icon. And also let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your device or not yet. And are you facing any issues or bugs with the new update or not?